4 big winners sa Pinoy Big Brother Lucky Season 7.
Season 7.
Good morning, good morning world.
Taas ng energy.
Siyempre, hindi lang ang energy gap para sa ating lahat na nandito ngayon. Live na live sa Alote Sports Arena.
Hindi, apat kasi. Sabi namin apat muna.
Please welcome our fourth big
Isa-isa muna. Isa-isa muna.
Edward!
Isa-isa. Edward, stand here. Stand first. Stand. Here.
Edward here.
Edward here.
Here?
Yeah.
There. Edward.
To your left.
Naman sa kaliwa.
Edward here. Edward here.
Pwede po dito.
Edward.
Yeah. Okay. Edward, one more.
Here. Edward.
Okay.
Edward here.
1, 2.
Here, Edward.
Edward, please greet our friends.
Hey guys! Hello po.
Alan.
I'm a little bit,
Alan, alam mo na, Alan.
Ay! Naka-trainer ka!
My brain's a little overloaded at the moment, so I'll try to answer whatever thing as best I can.
In Tagalog, eh?
Congratulations, Edward. Please take your seat. And now our third big placer. Wala iba kundi si Yong.
Yong here.
Zoom ko lang.
Here. To your left.
Edward.
Yong, one more.
Thank you.
Yong here.
Yung dito.
Yong, one more. Yong.
Okay, Yong, please greet our friends from the press.
Konti lang.
Hello po. Thank you po sa support namin. Thank you po sa lahat. And we're happy po.
Yung last.
Please welcome our second big placer. Walang iba kundi si Kisses.
Yung.
Yong. Ang kulit niyo ah. Yong. Center muna. Ayan. Okay. Stand muna. Picture. To your left. Kisses here. To your left again. Kisses here. To your left.
Kisses here.
Okay. Kisses one more. Kisses. Okay. To your left, kid. Kisses. Here. Kisses to your left. Okay. Wait lang. Okay.
Okay, Kisses, please greet our friends from the press.
Oh, it's such an honor to be here. Sobrang honored po ako. Makaharap kayong lahat. Salamat po. I would like to greet you. Good evening sa inyo lahat.
Good morning.
Ay, good morning po. Happy breakfast.
Candidate number 10, what is the most significant change? Please take your seat. And now, our big winner, please welcome Mai!
Kisses. Baka mahulog. Okay. May gitna muna. Stand up.
Wait, sorry.
Okay, sandali.
Guys, unahin muna natin sa right side ni Maymay.
Oh, okay, right side.
Para di maduli.
Okay, right side.
May nalay ka.
Okay,
Center.
and center. Center. And then to your left. Left.
No. Konti rito, yan.
And then quarter here. Joke. Hi, please greet our friends.
Hello po! Hello po sa inyo!
Congratulations.
Thank you po, sir.
Congratulations.
Okay, usok tayo konti, usok.
Guys, medyo pahingahin natin yung
Usok konti.
Okay, we'd like to call our business unit head, Dashing in Debonair, Sir Raymond Dizon.
To give some
Sir
words.
Raymond, any message to our friends from the press?
Ready si Sir Raymond.
Congratulations. Very successful in
First of all,
My.
I would like to thank everybody. Meron ba to? I'd like to thank everybody for supporting the 7 months of PBB, supporting a group, talented group of teens, talented group of housemates. Siguro ako, and I've never had yung ganito talaga kagaling na housemate. So, my congratulations, our big winner. Marcos and Mama Bear would like to say something.
Kisses.
Sorry lang po, tawag na.
Edward, here.
Well, we just want to thank everyone for supporting. Just so you know, this season was just supposed to last for 17 weeks. But it got extended to 34 weeks. And feeling ko dahil to sa apat na to, kasi nga sobrang minahal sila ng tao, kaya they got extended and extended. Dapat 7 weeks lang yung kids, but it got extended to 15 weeks because people loved it. So maraming salamat. Good job.
Thank you for the support that you have given PBB. For the past 10 years, sinong mag-aakala na meron bang ganitong kagagaling na mga kabataan na mahahanap ng Pinoy Big Brother? Nagpapasalamat kami, nagpapasalamat ang programa dahil they trusted the show, and nagpakatotoo sila. Actually, ang corny, no, di ba? Yung parang nagpapakatotoo. Pero sa tingin ko, kaya nagtagal ng 34 weeks ang PBB kasi isa sila sa mga naging malaking factor kung bakit minahal sila ng tao. Naging totoo sila. Hindi sila naging plastic. So, para mga anak namin, these are our babies. So, wala na. Wala na. Parang nagpakasal eh, nakagawa. So, maraming salamat.
Ayun, again, thank you very much. I'd like to quote lang yung sinabi kanina ni Keses na huwag bibitaw sa pangarap. Yun talaga yun talaga yung ano dun eh, yung essence of PBB. Thank you! Hindi talaga, yung naiyak talaga ako doon sa speech in Maymay kanina kasi nga sinabi nga niya huwag bibitaw sa pangarap. Maybe that's really the essence of PBB eh. Parang it's really fulfilling the dreams of Yung mga kabataang Pinoy at hindi lang yung mga kabataang Pinoy, all our housemates, natupad ang kanilang mga pangarap sa PBB. So, thank you for sharing your stories with us, guys. And hopefully, di ba, in the years to come, you'd always look back and thank PBB pa rin. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sir Raymond, Ma'am Claire, and Marcus. Okay, ang una magtatanong ay nagpakatotoo rin, no? Mula sa Rappler, wala ba kundi si Alex Villano.
Hey, here. Hey. Dahil na lang din naman nagpunta tayo sa usapan magpakatotoo. Okay, kay Maymay. Kasi a lot of people kanina really were moved with what you said. So, where did it come from? What made you say that? Yung sa mga nangyari ba sa'yo inside the house? Ano yung mga instances that made you say those words kanina sa message mo? Faith po.
Gusto mo ano lang? Yung mic sa kanila. Yung mic sa kanila.
Okay.
Nasabi ko po kanina dahil po sa faith na meron ako at sa yung tiwala sa Kanya po. Dahil talagang napakaraming pagsubok na naranasan ko po sa buhay. Pero kasi may choices po tayo kung susuko ka o babangon ka ulit. Pero pinili kong bumangon at hindi ko akalain na ito po yung ibibigay niya sa akin. Kaya talagang hanggat hindi mo nagagawa na bumangon, hindi mo malalaman kung ano talaga yung para sa'yo. Kaya yung ginawa ko. At ito na po yung para sa akin. Kaya masaya.
Question, kasi I know you guys have just been out, I guess, about an hour, 2 hours. So what are you feeling right now? Kasi kalalabas nyo lang, and I'm sure some of you are like, what the heck is going on here right now? Edward.
Sobrang saya. Talaga. I mean, we were there for shorter than the teen edition. For the Dream Team, we were there for a shorter time. But coming out for us this time meant a lot more. We came out and felt a lot better to see my family again. And especially coming out with these three. It's like the best thing that I could have asked for. It's the best thing that could have happened. My big winner right now. So everybody's happy at the moment. I for one, it's a little overwhelming at the moment, but for sure, very, very happy.
I mean, right now, I'm sure you've just been out for a couple of hours right now.
Talagang masasabi ko totoo yung fairy tale. Talagang hanggang ngayon hindi pa yung makapaniwala. Totoo ba to ha? Ano ba to? Kasi talagang, oh my God, tumitingin na ako sa TV na big winner, tapos masaya na ako para sa kanila. Tapos ngayon, nararamdaman ko na po yung nararamdaman nila. Kaya sobrang saya, umaapaw hanggang langit talaga. Ito na siguro yung pinakamasaya na nangyari sa buhay ko. Yung saya na hindi talaga nababayaran. At ito yung masasabi ko po na masasama ko po siya sa mga priceless treasure ko po sa buhay ko.
Ako naman po, like all of us, like the rest, I'm very happy. And above all, yung nangingibabaw na feeling sa akin ngayon is super blessed. Kasi out of all people, natira kaming apat dito, I feel like one of the luckiest people on earth na hanggang ngayon nandito pa rin. And the best part is, nararamdaman mo na natupad yung mga pangarap ng mga friends mo, which is the best thing. Si Edward masaya, si Yob may pera na para sa pamilya niya. And then si Ate Maymay natupad niya yung pinakapangarap niya sa buhay niya. So that's the best feeling ever. Yung masaya ka para sa sarili mo, pero masaya ka rin sa naaabot ng iba.
What's your feeling at this point? Coming out of the house for just a couple of hours.
Sobrang saya ko po kasi yun po, pinapangarap ko din po yung mga pasok sa PBB. Ito po, ngayon, nakasali po ako sa Big 3 and sa Big 4. Sobrang saya ko po kasi dati, parang hindi ko po akalain na nandito po ako ngayon sa harap niyo po. At saka marami pong camera. Nahihiya po ako. Pero sobrang saya ko po kasi yun po, yung pangarap ko din po natutuloy na po.
Okay.
I had a great time.
Alexa, congratulations.
I'm okay. Question, sir.
Okay, ang susunod na magtatanong ay hindi rin sumuko at pinilit bumangon. Walang iba kundi si Julian Mauricio.
Wow!
Sa inyong apat, ang PBB kasi nagiging paraan para sa mga tao na makapasok sa showbiz. So sa inyong apat ngayon, with this opportunity, anong gusto nyong maabot in terms of a showbiz career? Anong gusto nyong gawin? Like, gusto nyo bang umarte, kumanta, sumayaw, maging beauty queen, or what? So let's start tayo kay Edward.
Nahirapan sa iyo.
Although at the moment I'm really not sure what's gonna happen for the.
But personally, what do you want to do?
Alright. For me, it always has, always will be acting. It's always, when I came in, I didn't really know what I was gonna do if I got here. I didn't know because I didn't like dancing, I didn't like singing. I just felt uncomfortable. Acting was the thing that I always actually enjoyed. Even if it was hard, I would enjoy it. So when whatever happens, when I continue, that's definitely the path I'm gonna do.
Bye.
Yeah, siguro po rin bibigay, itatry ko po talaga. Example, yung magkanta, mag-compose, tapos tinry ko din yung yung live drama, yung acting. Kung ano po talaga ibibigay ko rin yung best ko. Pero kapag itatry ko kasi lahat po, doon mo talaga malalaman kung saan ka talaga mas excel.
Thank you. Thank you. Sa akin naman, kung ano yung bibigay, I will accept it. Pero personally, I would really like na umarte po. Kasi kung inaalala ko yung mga past months bago ako pumasok sa PBB, most of those times na-spend ko auditioning. So, sobrang ma-overwhelm ako nung nakapasok ako sa PBB kasi yun lang yung audition na ever napasukan ko sa lahat ng teleserye na na-auditionan ko. And so, now na meron kaming napakagandang opportunity na to, I would really like to pursue acting. Pero, yung mapapromise ko sa sarili ko ngayon is na I will not want it as much as I can work hard for it. Kasi gusto ko, I will work hard for it talaga. Kasi, yung nasabi ni Direk Rory sa amin, yung pagiging artista, hindi siya madaling trabaho. You really need to work hard for it. So, kailangan, mas may ibabaw yung desire mo na mag-work hard for it rather than kung gustuin mo siya. So, after this interviews, I will probably work na agad sa pag-aral na umarte. Kasi it's really something I've been wanting to do since bata pa ako. And I'm so happy na I'm on my way to it.
Ako naman po, siguro kung parehas lang po kami kung ano man po ibigay sa amin. Ibibigay din po namin yung best namin lahat. Sa ako din po, siguro yung sinalagay ko po, dancing, singing, yung acting po. Nakatry lang po sa loob ng PBB. First time. Pero ang saya po, maranasan ko yung acting drama. Pero kung ibibigay sa akin yung acting, tatanggapin ko. Ayun lang.
Okay, our next question will come from Jane Lopez of Star Studio Magazine.
Hello guys, congratulations sa inyo. First question ko, if there's one thing na meron kayong gustong balikan na experience nyo sa bahay ni Kuya, ano yun at bakit?
Let's start with Young. Kung meron kayong gustong balikan
sa
experience.
Na-experience mo sa bahay.
Siguro yung experience balikan ko yung pagsasama namin lahat ng housemates. Kasi every kasama ko sila sobrang saya ko. Parang hindi mo naisip yung ano nangyari sa labas. Iniisip mo lang sila ang kasama ko. Tsaka, ano po, parang na-happy po ako, enjoy pag sila po yung kasama ko.
Of course, I would like to choose happy memories. That's a safe choice for me. Pero kung tatanungin ko talaga yung loob-loob ko, feeling ko yung gusto ko talagang balikan is yung pinaka natakot ako, which is yung truth or lie. I was so scared. Nung nalaman ko na may truth or lie, I was scared not because may tinatago ako, pero I was so scared na to be judged by people. Sobrang takot ko yun na ma-criticize. Pero yun yung gusto kong balikan kasi doon ako nag-decide na okay, kailangan ko i-brush away yung fear na meron sa akin and face it. So, feeling ko yun yung pinaka malaking nagawa ko sa buhay ko, yung harapin yung takot ko. So, sabi ko, sige, truth or lie, game. E di mag-truth or lie tayo. Kaya, yun po yung naging isa sa ayun po talaga yung pinaka gusto kong balikan. Kasi, I want to remind myself always na face your fear and always be true to yourself.
At marami kang napahanga. Diba? Dahil sa pagiging brave mo sa pagharap sa task na yun. Okay?
Yes, my brother.
Siguro kung may babalikan po ako siguro yung si Enrique Hill. Hindi, siguro yung isa sa pinaka-happiest moment ko talaga. Kasi everyday talaga ang mga nangyayari dun sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, talagang memorable and everything. Tapos, siguro dun po sa live drama ko. Kasi, gusto ko lang, kasi hindi ako makapaniwala na makakapag-acting ako. Nag-acting ako ng elementary lang nun yun. Tsaka second year high school, ano. Tapos manulog ng konti. Tapos, hindi ko akalain na sa puntong yun, magagawa ko rin palang umarte. Magagawa ko rin yung bagay na hindi ko akalain magagawa ko. Ang gusto ko lang balikan yun kasi ang sarap lang ng feeling na nagawa mo yung bagay na talagang kasi isa din sa kinakatan na mag-arte. Mag-arte, paano man ganito, ganyan, may camera dito na, wala man alam dyan. Pero kasi, dahil sa mga sinasabi ni Direk Rory at saka yung mga tao nasa paligid ko na puro positibo talaga, nagawa ko yung isang bagay na hindi ko akalain magagawa ko. Kaya masarap yun sa piling talaga. Sobra-sobra, yan.
At may nag-text si Enrique. Congratulations.
I love you, Seth!
For me, it's also going to be the live drama, like because that for me was other than the big night, that was for me was the biggest achievement I've ever had in my life. That is the task, out of all the tasks that Kuya ever gave us, that was the one I worked the hardest on. The script that we had, if you see it, it's like there's notes everywhere. I worked more on that script than I did on most school projects. But, it was scary. I woke up on some days, I was like, I sort of didn't want to do it because I was so scared. Like there were things in the live drama I didn't know how to do. I had to be drunk. I've never been drunk before. I don't drink. Pero I learned from the older housemates. So, and especially to work side by side with the fellow housemates, it's easier than working with people you don't know because we all gel together really quickly, have good chemistry, and especially one of the best things working with the McGurries is she got us to do things that I personally never thought I could do. It's audition, it's a live drama, so that was the hardest challenge and the most satisfying. So I like that.
Question na lang for my mic. Ano sa tingin mo yung mga qualities na hinangaan sa'yo ng mga supporters kaya ikaw yung ginawa nilang winner?
Ano sabi mo? Kung balik ako, nasa mentor ako. Siguro sa pagpasok ko sa bahay, pagtungtong ko talaga, inisip ko na at isinasa puso ko na lahat gagawin ko, makamit ko lang yung pangarap ko at may pakita sa buong mundo kung ano yung kakayahang meron ako. Na may pakita sa kanila na kaya ko. At kung makakayanin ko at makakamit ko yung pangarap ko, kaya din nila. Yun pa.
Thank you, Jane. Ang susunod na magtatanong ay hinawakan din ni Direct Ronnie Quintos. Wala lang, hinawakan lang siya. Alan Sangon.
Sabi hinawakan.
Sa balikan.
Talking about Direct Rory, parang narinig namin na fan ni Direct Rory si Edward dahil sa acting mo daw. So, do you think you'll be the next dramatic actor?
Like that's always been one of the things I wanted to do. If that were to happen, amazing. I can die in peace if that happens. I'm trying to like. Sorry. Although it was really fun and I enjoyed every part of it, one of the last pieces of advice that Direct Rory gave all of the housemates, there were 3 parts. There was always keep your feet on the ground. If I was to become the biggest, I don't know, what's the next dramatic actor, I wouldn't want to consider myself that. I would like to stay just actor line. I don't want to get hyped up. What I achieve, I want to achieve. That's simple as that. I want to be happy doing it. If I am, dream come true. And then I will work my way there.